Hi, this is Vandana Adivishnu from Chennai. On behalf of Sister Karnam Aikyvedika, wishing you all a very happy new year. I'm blessed to get an opportunity to be a part of Aikyvedika and specifically involved with Lekha, its online newsletter. We all are busy in our professional and personal lives, yet, when we contribute time with passion and dedication towards a cause, a society, a group, a community, towards social service, it gives immense satisfaction. There is no time, is what many of us feel, but it is not about that. It is about having inclination to give time. It could be half an hour, it could be 1 hour, it could be 1 hour a week or 2 hours a week. It could be anything. So, coming to Sister Karnam Aikyvedika volunteering, how could one contribute? Could be a question for many of the members. I would say, when I could contribute, why can't you? So, for this, I would say how could be. Let me first explain you the various platforms that has been created by Aikyvedika. They are such as Lekha, its online newsletter, then Vivaha Vedika for the matrimony, skiv.online for website and its development. Then there is SK Yuvata for the youth, then social networking group where the people who are interested in taking responsibility to social media come forward and join. There is YouTubers page group, there is business group men group, there is members directory, businessmen directory, and so on. So for each of these verticals, one can come forward and involve, become members of the group, and also add more members who could probably get involved. One can join few meetings and be a part of the group and understand what their skill sets and how they can be helpful to Aikyvedika. So it could be in simple ways like creating posts, creating advertisements, involved in website development, uh, or preparing certificates, or taking pictures, or preparing videos or slideshows, or PowerPoint presentations, or Excel documents, or preparing registers, and so on. There is so much scope of work. Now, coming to Lekha and specifically, it is about 20 to 24 pages of and a newsletter every issue every month, and each page has about 3 to 4 uh, contents. So on an average, so getting content for all these pages is also very important every month. So that is a simple thing, and many of us can involve and share. It could be from yourself or your contacts. So there are pages like newsmakers where every month any achievers we publish the news. There is a state news or fraternity news of various associations. There is Karnam World and interview column where important personalities, their journeys, success stories are shared, which inspires others in making their lives a success stories. Then there is support arena where financial supports have been given by some people, food support or health support or donations, and so on. There are other pages like YouTubers page, health page, talent corner, beauty page, and so on. So provide content, come forward, and we can publish them. Back end support for Lekha could be like um, the raw content could be transformed into a report format, either it is Telugu or English. Then there is translations, English to Telugu or Telugu to English. Then proofreading and editing in both the languages is needed. Then we have finally we have to compose in both the languages. So composing of 40 to 50 pages is a huge challenge, and getting the right people with quality to do such things is not a joke. I think Lekha has reached a stage where things are a little streamlined, and it has completed its anniversary last December successfully. And I wish the leaders should probably make the other platforms also shine as beautifully as Lekha once they have more hands to delegate responsibilities to the newcomers and move for other areas. Finally, I sincerely wish a grand success to Butterfly Celebrations, and wish many of our members get benefited from this, and the business meet, and the motto of caterpillars to butterflies shining all over the world should be achieved gracefully. And have a good day, and thank you. Namaskaram.